Today, let's look at equity futures and cash equitization, two concepts that are interrelated. Question 1. How are these two concepts related to each other? Equities futures are standardized contracts that give the investor an obligation to buy stocks at a certain price in the future. The holders of future contracts are exposed to market risk because they must buy stocks in the future at a fixed price. This market risk is denoted by the Greek symbol beta. Equity futures can be used to adjust this market risk to the target level. Cash equitization is a special case where equity futures are used to adjust market risk. Cash has no market risk because it's supposed to be invested in a guaranteed return account and earns interest income without exposure to market risk. So its beta is equal to 0. In order to get some market exposure, the investor can use cash to buy or sell equity futures. Depending on the targeted level of beta, the investor can buy various quantities of the equity future contracts. Question number 2. How many equity future contracts should an investor buy? If we know the targeted level of beta, the portfolio stocks beta, and the beta of the future contracts, then we can use this equation to solve for the number of equity future contracts. As future contracts are quoted on the stock market, the quoted price should be multiplied with the multiplier per index point in order to get the full value of the future contracts. If we rearrange the equation, we get the below expression of capital letter N, number of contracts, as a function of other variables. If we want to eliminate market risk from the portfolio, the targeted beta will be 0 and the number of future contracts to sell can be calculated using this simplified equation. In the case of cash equitization, the original beta of the portfolio is equal to 0 because the portfolio consists entirely of cash. So, the equation can be simplified to get the below expression in case of cash equitization. If you have any questions about today's material, please let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.